Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, a game changer in the world of compact drones. DJI has consistently pushed the boundaries of aerial photography, and the Mini 5 Pro is no exception. This powerful yet portable drone brings enhanced camera capabilities, extended flight time, and advanced safety features, making it a top pick for both hobbyists and professional content creators. But is it truly the best mini drone of 2025? Stick around as we analyze its standout features, real-world performance, and everything you need to know before making a purchase. DJI Mini 5 Pro, a compact powerhouse for aerial photography. The DJI Mini series has always been known for its lightweight design and high-end features, and the Mini 5 Pro continues this legacy. It strikes the perfect balance between advanced technology and user-friendly functionality, catering to travelers, photographers, and drone enthusiasts alike. Let's explore what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro stand out in the competitive drone market. Design and portability. The DJI Mini 5 Pro maintains the sleek, ultra-lightweight build of its predecessors, weighing under 249 g, which means it remains exempt from certain drone regulations in various regions. Its foldable design ensures easy portability, making it an excellent travel companion for aerial photography. The updated aerodynamic frame enhances flight efficiency, and its refined look gives off a premium feel. Camera and imaging, a leap in quality. One of the biggest upgrades in the Mini 5 Pro is its advanced camera system. It features a 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing 4K at 60 frames per second and snapping stunning 20MP still images. With HDR support and a wide dynamic range, this drone excels at capturing vibrant, detailed visuals in all lighting conditions. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures that your footage remains smooth, even in windy conditions. Additionally, DJI has incorporated creative modes like hyperlapse, panorama, and smart photo, allowing users to enhance their shots effortlessly. Whether you're shooting landscapes, cityscapes, or action sequences, this drone delivers stunning clarity and detail, flight performance, and stability. Despite its compact size, the DJI Mini 5 Pro offers exceptional flight performance. It boasts a maximum flight time of 37 minutes, extending up to 47 minutes with an optional extended battery. Top speed, 36 miles per hour in sport mode. Enhanced GPS and stabilization for smoother, more precise navigation. Improved wind resistance ensures steady footage even in breezy conditions. These upgrades make the Mini 5 Pro ideal for both beginners and experienced pilots, providing a stable and enjoyable flying experience. Obstacle avoidance and safety features. For the first time in the Mini series, DJI has introduced an advanced obstacle avoidance system. Equipped with forward, backward, and downward sensors, the Mini 5 Pro can intelligently detect and avoid obstacles, ensuring safer flights even in complex environments. Additional safety features include return to home, automatically guides the drone back if the battery is low or if it loses connection. Geofencing and altitude limiting prevents flying in restricted airspaces. Precision landing enhances accuracy during automated landings. These intelligent features make the Mini 5 Pro one of the safest compact drones available today. Intelligent flight modes. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is packed with AI-powered intelligent flight modes, making aerial videography effortless. These include Focus Track, an improved Active Track 5.0 for precise subject tracking. Quick Shots, automated cinematic shots like drone, circle, and helix. Master Shots, automatically creates professional quality short films. Waypoint 3.0, pre-programmed flight paths for complex shots. These smart features ensure that even new drone pilots can capture breathtaking footage with ease. Battery life and charging. The Mini 5 Pro is powered by a high-capacity intelligent flight battery, delivering up to 37 minutes of flight time. If you opt for the extended battery, you can achieve an impressive 47 minutes of flight on a single charge. Thanks to fast charging technology, you can minimize downtime and get back in the air quickly. This is a huge advantage for content creators who need to maximize their shooting sessions. Controller and connectivity. The DJI Mini 5 Pro supports multiple controllers, including the DJI RC2 and DJI RC Pro, both offering a seamless flying experience. The inclusion of OcuSync 4.0 technology ensures a stable connection with a transmission range of up to 12 kilometers, delivering a high-quality live feed with minimal latency. Advanced autofocus system. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro is its enhanced autofocus system. With dual-pixel autofocus technology, it quickly locks onto moving subjects, ensuring sharp and well-defined visuals. This feature is particularly useful for tracking dynamic subjects such as wildlife, vehicles, and action sports. The Focus Track system further enhances autofocus precision, making it easier than ever to capture cinematic shots with stunning clarity. Price and value. For money, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is competitively priced, offering incredible value for its high-end features. Whether you're a casual drone enthusiast, a professional filmmaker, or a travel vlogger, this drone provides an excellent mix of performance, portability, and affordability. Final thoughts. Should you buy the DJI Mini 5 Pro? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a compact yet powerful drone that redefines what's possible in the sub-250G category. With its high-end camera, intelligent flight modes, and cutting-edge safety features, it is undoubtedly one of the best mini drones of 2025. If you're looking for a portable, professional-grade drone for capturing stunning aerial footage, the Mini 5 Pro is an excellent choice. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone pilot, this device offers unmatched value. That's a wrap. Thank you for tuning into Techno Trend Zone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment below, and share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates on drones, tech reviews, and cutting-edge innovations. Stay tuned for more exciting content. And until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep capturing stunning visuals. See you in the next video.